Let us see some of the navigation of the forensic interface. For example, I can select in here asterisk and click search as I did, and I get all the documents that we have in this demo. A very small set, almost 3,000, so 3 pages of 1,000 each, and I can specify how many I want per page. Another thing is that when a record or a document shows up as red, means that that document has not been actually seen. Once you actually click on the document and you display whatever that document is, from that point on it remains green. Documents that has a yellow line in between means that there's suspect content in it. That's something, and they typically are shown to the top to indicate that there's something that is worth investigating on those. We can do searches in here, and let me actually move forward and search on let's do a search here on the third group of documents, and I'm going to put description, and I want to see all the Microsoft documents. In here, so I click search, and I got 3 Word documents and 1 Excel document. And notice that I already looked at this document before. Notice that this Microsoft Excel is being shown as having some suspicious content. I mean, and this is the first clue. What I can do is I can select all the documents in this page, and I can perform a file analysis, and this is going to look for script and using sophisticated stuff like Shannon's entropy to detect what might be suspect. So it's telling me that the first 3 documents have no embedded script, but it's telling me there is a Visual Basics script here in this document, and that's normally something that particularly lately we have seen a lot on the field, a lot of exploit on the Microsoft macros. So in any of the documents, you can actually right click on it, and you can display the actual document, you can display the entropy, or actually display the embedded script when it finds one. So for example, if I do display entropy, I see this type of graph in which sharp spikes like this one and maybe that one indicate, you know, content that is highly suspicious. If we look at any of the other document, we probably should not see spikes that are that big. You see that here the spike is smaller, and this one is not that much of a spike. It's a lot of area under this part of the curve. Again, we can display the actual embedded script, and we can analyze it and see whether that is something that is malicious or not. Very powerful. Notice also that, as we've done before, Forensic gets the hash as part of the attributes of every document. So if we would like to see you know, the other appearances of this particular document, we can actually do that. We can actually click on the actual document, and we see all the attributes in there, and you know, here's the file hash, and we can perform another search on that hash and see if there is any occurrences of these particular files anywhere else, which is not going to be the case in this particular demo, but you get the picture. Who else has been actually dealing with this malicious file, or who else has been compromised by actually clicking or using this particular file with a macro.